sis did Pabi Cooper send you the package. Thank you, Leah. Leolata.
Papi Cooper. Kanya watu essence na.
Your life will end as a party.
Shabu watu essence hayi. Nah, this is not the kind of content creator we need. I don't know. Kanya walibala kwa Papi Cooper. Shame. Shabu walibala.
Papi Cooper. Mishi, have you been in Matatiel?
Nope.
Hey, Matatiel apo.
My boyfriend is my partner is at work. Why has it baby?
Shut up.
Joe.
Oh
Oh my god.
Sorry.
I send back up, guys, and then if only back up a tripod. Yo, at least I know how to pronounce her name now. Imagine if I'm born and it's Telefelo. Yo, how could I know? At least now I know her name. Tifel. Then born in Patika Grace. No, Bankama like didn't call her because I didn't know how to pronounce her name. Shem.
EP boyfriend. Oh, I know. Like your content, guys. Thank you, team. Now,
Ebi, what's our video?
It's up to you, my sister. If you wanna do it with the video,
go on. We have played at Facebook. Is what?
Okay, whom?
Dad.
Hello, hi guys.
And they were very good. Dad.
Hello, hi guys.
Spend the day with me. My baby. Little rooms. I feel like it's very good. In this, this is a hotel Tifel.
And it's a fun masana and it's a fun.
Let's have the stuff, is there?
This is a son.
Huh? This is a
Taking a scary.
A Grand Central. The one clack now is going to use all. Who is all? Is only. Who's already. Well, I'm young, Bobo leading a go wrong and I call a shop before Korea select.
Mendezi. What you talent? Umenya na go crazy tana. Levels. Mwah. Hug. Grace. Wandi komba ndamkomba. Sahaga na safoka. Levels ita. Okay, so this is your telephone. My app. What in telephone again? Different. This is what we have done so far. This is what we have done so far. Then I'm gonna thinking walk. And then I'm only left with these. What's in tele? Animals different. Can't believe vlog judge. It's fine. This is what we have done so far. Unbraided. This is content. So this is what we can't just use.
This is what I've done so far. This is what is left.
This is what we have.
This is what I've unbraided so far, and this is what's left.
This is what I've done so far. This
is what I've unbraided so far, and this is what is left. Unbraided.
1, 2. This is what I have unbraided so far. I sound like me. It needs to sound like me. So this is kakile. sifuna something ezosignda. Cecil, we're almost done with this side.
We are almost done with this side. This one.
Oh!
And we are done with this one.
Okay. We're already done with this side. We're already done with this side. We're only left with the ending. So we're only left with this. We're only left with this side. Sesogqiba ngoku kushiyeke ezi. Sesogqiba ngoku kushiyeke ezi. It's fine. Ndiyayichola ku-editing.
Suyazipenda.